Hey everyone, this Cat here. Just a quick video before I do this. My hair under this thing is a scarf, and I got it in one, two, three, four different sections because of a style that I want to do. But I was in the store in CVS yesterday, and I was looking through their deep conditioners, and I was like, man, I really don't feel like spending all that money on some deep conditioner. And I was like, I think I could do something about that, like at home. We'll find out how it's going to go. I've done this before, but without two of the ingredients. So we'll just go through it now. So I have, as my ingredients, I have Aussie Moisture. This is the 7-in-1 conditioner. I also have this Aussie Moisture, which I have a lot more of because I use the 7-in-1 more. I have the just regular Mega Moist conditioner. And to that, I add glycerin, good for your hair, you know. I have some black castor oil and peppermint. And the two ingredients that I'm going to add to this just to see how it works, I don't know if it's going to work, we'll find out, is this bentonite clay here. Actually, this one is European clay powder. Same thing. Looks like it, smells like it. It's that. Anyways, and then I have this rice water. Now the rice water is black because I used black rice. I'm not going to use a lot of it just because I know I won't need a lot of it and I don't want to make it too watery, but I did want to add that to see what it'd do. So I'm going to add those ingredients together, and I guess I'll show that to you on here. There we go. Okay. Oh, and of course, since I'm using the clay, you can't use metal or anything. So I have this wooden spoon and a plastic cup. I was going to wash my hair, but I don't really need, it doesn't need to be washed. But I just want to give it a little bit of love before I put it in the style. Oh boy. I hate when that happens. Am I the only one who has it where it gets clogged up? You gotta fight for it to actually come through. There we go. That should be better. Nope. Okay, there we go. Alright, I use what seems like a lot because my hair would be like, oh, you think it's enough? Nah, it's not enough. It's never enough. So I'd rather have too much than not enough because then I gotta add stuff as I'm going. And I just don't like that. Well, oh well. I count everything. Anyways, it's about this much conditioner as a base. And let's see, let's go ahead and add. Okay, you're gonna have to watch this because I'm not gonna keep putting the bowl up. I say it's about a teaspoon and a half of glycerin. A few squirts. Oh wait, that doesn't count because it didn't come out. Ow. I might just take the top off and go that route. Yeah, I'm gonna go that route because that doesn't work. I'm not gonna add that much of this since it's thick. That's about a half teaspoon. Yeah, or a quarter teaspoon actually. I'm gonna add the mint last. I'm gonna do just a scoop, maybe 2. Yeah, let's do 2. 2 scoops of the powder. Another reason why I decided to do this is because they tried to sell, you know, those little one-time or two-time use packs that you can get for like $1.99 or whatever. They sell one of those in CVS, and it was with bentonite clay. Was going to get it, but it had olive oil in it, and I'm allergic to olive oil. My scalp is. So I was like, nope. Even though it was like one of the last ingredients, I didn't want to chance it. Plus, I had coconut oil in it too, and I'm not a big fan of coconut oil in my hair. I usually stay away from coconut oil, and I use shea butter with some essential oils mixed in. All right, now this is the last one I'm gonna put in. That's a little less than a quarter cup, I would say. This stuff does not look good. It's gray. Ugh. Anyway, I'm just going to mix it in until it gets mixed, and then we'll mix in the peppermint oil. Yeah, this is still a pretty thick consistency. Still got little pockets of bit of the clay. Anyways, you would think that it would stink because of the water, but it doesn't. I'm gonna put a little bit more in, just a little bit. Now it's probably like a full quarter cup. The perfumes from the conditioner make it so it doesn't stink. And then I'm not one of those naturals that, well, sometimes I am, it depends. I don't usually leave product sitting on my head for like overnight. I think I tried like an overnight one once, like did a deep conditioner, had it overnight one time, and then I was like, well, there's no huge difference, so I'm not going to do that again because it's a hassle. Like some naturals, they're like, oh, I just leave it and go about my business, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, great, that's good for you, but I don't want to have a 2-day hair care routine. It's bad enough that sometimes I have a full day hair care routine. I'm not trying to make that 2 days. So, yeah, whatever. It is still some pockets of clay, which is irritating, but anyways. Lastly, peppermint. And because peppermint is so strong, I'm not going to add too much. And this still has the dropper on it, so let me just let it drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, that's it. 10 drops. just don't want it to be too lumpy because it is clay. Alright, anyways, this is what it's looking like. Like I said, it doesn't look good. It's just gray because of the clay and the water. So, anyways, I'm gonna put this in my hair, let it sit for a little bit, maybe take a nap, and then rinse it out and do my hair. That's all I wanted to show you. Peace out.